we are heading towards Yana Caves. So I do not know much about this particular place, but it has historic significance, and I've heard that it's a beautiful place to visit. So we are riding through the forest which leads to the Yana Caves. It's a beautiful drive. So our friends are here on the bridge. So there is a small bridge here with a lake flowing. Not sure which river is this, but yeah, it's a beautiful sight. There it is on both the sides. I'm not sure if this is Tungabhadra, but anyways, looks nice. And totally it's quite misty and foggy here. Just about 8 a.m. in the morning, and beautiful weather. Really enjoying it. I hope our friends are along with us. Yes, they are, and few of them are ahead. We've been riding towards the Yana Caves, and the entire stretch of the road is totally gravel here, like totally jelly type and gravel type. Bike absolutely doesn't grip on these roads. So one couple of incidents happened today. So Pramod's bike, the Versus 1000, so apparently he forgot to turn off the ignition. The battery got discharged, and now he's not able to self-start the bike. So we are trying to figure out if we can get some jumper cables and jump start the bike. So we are figuring out. We are in the forest, and yeah, of course, but all 10 of us here together, at least from that point of view, things are good. So we'll get things done, and then have breakfast. We haven't had breakfast yet, right? Surprising. So yeah, it's been quite an adventure. So we'll get out of this place and then get our breakfast in some time. So
you got a battery problem in this Kawasaki Versus 1000.
Got a battery problem in the Versus 1000. And now we are trying to do a jump start.
1 kilometer
We are doing a push start, and a lot of our friends from this particular area is trying to help us out. There it goes. There it goes. Finally, the Versus powered up. See, can you hear the sound? Finally, the bike is on. So finally we are up. Don't let it turn off, man.
Obviously. Let it be on. Don't do anything.
So there it powered on.
Thank you, man. Amazing, amazing, guys.
Amazing bike. Great effort by Mr. Asgardian. Asgardian. Great effort. Amazing job.